Happy Wednesday, growth gurus. Hope your week is humming along smoothly. Today, we're diving into a simple yet powerful way to give your calls to action that extra pop they deserve. Ready to make your CTAs literally stand out? Here's the scoop. Animate your CTAs. That's right, subtle animations like pulsing glows or gentle shakes can really draw the eye and encourage those all-important clicks. Studies show that animated CTAs can boost click-through rates by up to 20%. In a sea of static content, a little movement naturally grabs attention, making this a powerful tactic in your data-driven marketing strategy. So, how do you get started? First, choose a subtle animation that aligns with your brand. Remember, you want to enhance, not distract. Next, test different animation styles on your key CTAs. A/B testing is your best friend here. Track those click-through rates to measure the impact. And don't forget to keep the surrounding area clean and uncluttered to maximize the animation's effect. Finally, ensure the animation is consistent across devices for a seamless user experience. For more insights, check out our must-read article, Unlock Growth, Master Micro Moments in 2025 Now, over at cdmsuite.com. And while you're there, take our free 3-minute marketing assessment to get a custom growth plan tailored just for you. Thinking about starting a newsletter? Beehive is the platform built for growth, founded by some of the earliest employees of the Morning Brew. It's packed with built-in growth tools, customization, and best-in-class analytics, all in an easy-to-use interface. Try it absolutely free. No credit card required. That's it for today, folks. Tomorrow, we'll explore how to harness user-generated content to amplify your brand. Prefer a once-a-week roundup instead of daily tips? Head over to cdmsuite.com and let us know. Until next time, keep those CTAs popping and your growth soaring.